Smile. Alright guys, well it's Friday night about 10 o'clock and we're beat, but we did knock out quite a bit. We started in the bedroom and just kind of worked our way forward, and the bedroom's almost completely done. There's a lot of different staples and stuff that we got to knock out, but we're in good shape for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll start laying down the underlayment and then start putting down the wood floors in the bedroom and work our way forward. So, stay tuned. Hold on a second. Check out these knee pads from Atlas 46. I couldn't have done this job without them. These things are amazing. Link in the description. Hopefully it fits. Nope. Not gonna fit, is it? Alright. Oh, never mind.
Fail.
Alright guys, end of day 2, or day 1.5 I guess, since we started on a Friday evening. We got a lot done. We actually got all the wood flooring done in the bedroom as well as the bathroom, excuse me, and the hallway. So now, tomorrow we'll be able to knock out more of the main area, and hopefully we'll be able to get pretty close to getting this wrapped up tomorrow, and start bringing in the bed and stuff. I'm also painting the bed frame itself, painting it white, so when we put it back in there, it will look a little bit more up to date. So, but yeah, pretty excited. We had some really intricate cuts to do today. I thank Mark and my fiance for helping me out to try to get those cut, because man, it is nice to have an extra pair of hands on something like this. But we're going to wrap it up for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, day 3. I gotta admit, I am running a little slow today. This is this is a lot of work, but let's see how much we get done today. Guys, end of day 3, and I gotta say, we got all of the flooring done. We still need to do some of the odds and ends, like caulking and any type of trim that you want to add, and of course we still need to add our chairs back so we can actually drive this thing. But the hard part is done. The flooring is all in. I think some of the bigger challenges were actually putting it underneath the slide itself, which I haven't even tested yet. I probably should test that actually. And then also up there at the very front where the driver's seat is actually a little bit different, which is kind of interesting. Let me actually spin this around and I'll show you. There's a metal, I mean, that's like the floorboard right there. And they cut it out so that you can put some foam down so that, you know, when you're actually driving, you have somewhere to put your heel. The problem is it was higher than the actual flooring itself, and I didn't want the flooring to kind of, you know, swoop up and cause any damage. So I think what I'm going to do is I have some of these Harbor Freight foam mats. I think I'm going to cut those up, put those in there, and then I'll put a rug or something over top, or maybe even like a rubber, you know, WeatherTech mat or something like that. All right, look at that. We are 10 minutes away from the campsite, and we had to go to Kroger because we forgot our coffee. Gotta have coffee. All right, guys, here we are at Red Top Mountain, and we got the RV all set up, so I wanted to kind of show you the final flooring. Let me go ahead and sneak on in here. And you will see that we actually decided to go under the chairs versus actually up to the mount on the chairs. I actually really like how that turned out. The hard part there was you actually had to sneak underneath the RV and unbolt it. It's a through bolt, and you got to take the nut off and everything. So you got to have a friend or a partner to help you out trying to loosen those up, but well worth it. We also decided that to leave the engine cover carpet. I think that actually turns out a lot better. Obviously, there's no real easy way of making hardwood on that portion anyway. So the other thing we decided to leave carpet was the slide out itself. That was a little bit more challenging, and I mean, the carpet actually is in pretty decent shape, so I don't think that really hurts anything by leaving it carpet. And because of the sofa and the cabinetry kind of covers most of it anyways, just was a lot of extra work that we really didn't need. And then let's see here, in the bathroom itself, we knocked out that. Really like how that turned out. I want to add a little bit of quarter round, just around, you know, some trim just to kind of make that a little bit better. But all in all, I'm really happy on how that turned out. And then finally, the bedroom. We decided to take the bed out itself. We painted the frame white before we reinstalled it. We took the whole bed out, of course, and screwed that down through the actual through the vinyl flooring, and really happy on how that looks. But yeah, so about 30 hours worth of work. We figured we probably saved ourselves between $2,000 and $3,000 if we were to hire somebody to do something like this. And pretty happy on how it turned out, actually. I think it looks very professional, and I think it just kind of, you know, allows this this RV to look a lot more up to date. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.